Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a glitch on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go to this window of X Twitter and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app. You will go here to Play Store, you will search about X Twitter, then you can update your app on Play Store as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you.